What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Laundromat Resource, and I wanted to take a quick second to explain what a pro forma is. I'm going to put a link to one here on this page, and there'll be one on the resources page, so laundromatresource.com/resources, and you'll see a pro forma there, a sample one that you can download. And basically, what a pro forma is about a one-page summary of the business. So all of the income and all of the expenses of the business, and it basically tells you the health of the business and the net operating income of the business. So that's what a pro forma is. Now, you got to be careful with pro formas because those numbers, especially with laundromats, can be embellished. And also, a lot of times owners or brokers try to sneak in projected numbers, not actual numbers. And you never want to purchase a laundromat or a property or any investment really based off of projected numbers. You want to purchase an investment or a business based on actual numbers, because projected numbers aren't the actual numbers, and you're the one who has to make those numbers happen. You're the one taking the risk. So don't pay someone else so that you can take the risk. So that's what a pro forma is, and it's a helpful tool, but it's not the end all be all, but it's a good starting place. So that's what a pro forma is, and hopefully you learned something new. Keep on learning something new, but don't forget, take some action, because that is how you make progress in getting towards financial freedom. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.